Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here's the corresponding chart, and you will have the C major composed of the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then, the E minor composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. Then, the F major composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. And eventually, the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. And first, I suggest that you press the chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, on 1, bass and chord. On 2, chord alone. And you're going to repeat that same pattern on the 3 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you want to get closer to the original version, you can shift everything 1 octave higher. So instead of playing here, well, you can shift everything here. And it's absolutely up to you. You can also play here if you want to. And you could also arpeggiate the chord on the 1 and the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. I'm so lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. I'm so lonely. So as you've seen, you will play this chart twice for the introduction. Then you can play this progression again, move back to the center of your piano, start the spoken part, and move into the first verse. And with the same method, it should sound like this. Yeah, I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my girl wasn't by my side. Could've sworn I was dreaming, for her I was fiending, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking over these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad. Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life came crashing and I'm so... You played this chart twice for the first verse, and then you reached the chorus played with the same progression and playing method. My whole life came crashing and I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own girl. So lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own girl. And now let me teach you how to play these chords using arpeggios. So here's a readapted chart for that method, and this time you will play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this for all the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Girl, I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own girl. So lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own girl. And you reach the second verse, and you can either go back to the pressed chords or keep playing with the arpeggio method. Can't believe I had a girl like you and I just let you walk right out of my life. After all I put you through, you still stuck around, stayed by my side. What really hurt me is I broke your heart, baby. You're a good girl and I had no right. I really wanna make things right, cause without you in my life, girl, I'm so... And you reach the chorus again. As you've probably figured out, you'll be able to continue this song using the same chord progression that won't change until the end of the song. So just feel free to choose your preferred method or alternate between the two. Good luck to you, and I will see you in the next one.